Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking back in with Tesla on the daily and weekly time frame. Lower high, but the bulls did hold the low of yesterday, so tomorrow is going to be a very telling day. We have our low at 205, our higher low established at 215.18, and now we're trying to establish a higher low in the upper 216, lower $217 range. If we break and lose 215.18 support, we are going to look to potentially pull back down towards the low 200s, test some of these key moving average supports. So pretty much where we stand, we have a good amount of moving average support and a good amount of moving average resistance. Bulls would love to get back above 221.81, this 200-day moving average resistance by the end of this week, which would have us looking up at 225.93, the high of this bounce. So the weekly chart for Tesla has tons of resistance and also some support. 212.74 is the middle Bollinger Band, and key resistance, the 50 and 100-week moving average, up in the upper 220s. So it's going to require the bulls turning those two levels into support for me to be looking bullish anything mid or long term on Tesla. And as of right now, it's looking like these 2 weeks could have potentially been just a little bear flag bounce after a quick drop. If that were the case, we would break 215, we would lose this middle Bollinger Band support, we would see the bearish MACD cross, and we would come down towards that 203.66 low that we have seen. But that remains to be seen. Next week will be very telling, and looking like Tesla might have gotten a little upgrade at the end of the day. Today, let's see, after hours, we're trading at 220 right now, so up $1 from the close, which leads me to believe we're going to test that 200-day moving average resistance tomorrow, and a close above it would be a great way to end the week for the bulls. So we'll keep an eye on Tesla, certainly getting interesting, and a very tightening pattern is forming, and you can see the volume. We have our spike, and then decreasing volume, a lower spike, more decreasing, and yet a third lower spike. So that lets you know the range is getting tighter, the Bollinger Bands are tightening, and a move is approaching. So we'll stay on top of it. I appreciate you watching. See you soon. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.